I purchased this bag for work. I want to believe that this is the work bag that you're missing, ladies. Thank you all so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be sharing this bag that I purchased purposely for work, and I'm going to be giving you my honest opinion about this bag, my honest review. If you're just coming across this channel for the very first time, this channel is all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. This is going to bring me to today's video. This is the reason why on today's video, and I'm going to be sharing with you the very affordable work bag that you need to add to your collection of work bag if you have anything like that going on. Because I am the type that I just use one bag for work. I do not have the time in the morning to switch. Even at night, I plan my outfit at night, but switching my purse is not in the picture. When I'm going out, I'll take my going out purses to whatever event I'm going to, the one that suits the outfit that I'm going to be wearing. But when it comes to work, I love to have one designated purse for my work. So it's about time for me to switch from the purse that I've been using since last year to a new one. So I went on hunting for a very affordable, structured and affordable and presentable work bag. And this is what I found from Temu. So I purchased this bag. I purchased it from Temu solely for work. Alright, so when I received it, this bag came in this way that you're looking at it on the screen. It has this plastic bag that came in, and when I opened the plastic bag, this bag has came with a dust bag, which is amazing. A bag that is less than $50. Okay, so I love that fact. Then bringing out this bag, ladies, look at how neat this bag is. I wasn't expecting it. I was wowed when I opened it. I was like, what? Less than $50. I'm actually going to put the price on the screen because at this point I can't remember and I don't want to steer you wrong. Okay, so I'll put the price on the screen, and if I come across, if I have a link for it, also I'll put it in the description box. I want to believe they have 3 colors of this bag. They have it in caramel, brown and black. All right, so I chose this color because I believe it's going to go with almost everything. Either you're wearing black, red, green, navy blue, white, whatever you're wearing to work. All right, so that's why I chose this bag. My previous bag was brown, like chocolate color, the ones I was using like since last year. That it's about time for me to share it. All right, and it's about time for me to switch it to something else. So ladies, looking at it, just look at how amazing this bag is. It's well sewn. I don't know if they use the tailored word in bag industry, but they made this bag so well. It's structured, very solidly made, neatly made. Look at the details on it. He has these inner purses. Like the first place you open that one outside, you see it outside. It's like it has the zip, outer zip. Also it has like 3 compartments. So the first one you see it, and it has the inner pocket inside the first one. Then you open the middle one where we have the zip. That's what I love about it again. It does have that zip that you can use to secure your property more inside that bag. Also the other compartments, you will see another zip on the side. When you open it, you can keep some stuff in there. Inside is well lined. There is no thread here and there. Everything is just amazing the way this purse is made. You can adjust the strap, the one that the handle strap, you can adjust it. It has just 2 which you can adjust. Also you can adjust the closure, how you close the purse. If you want it to be more tighter, you put it to the second level. If not, you put it, depending on what you have in it will determine the level that you will put it, the closure, either the first one or the second one. I love how structured, how well tailored it is. Look at the handle, solidly made, and when you put this on the table, it's just going to sit right there. I love it. So I'm going to put, this is the start of the show, right? And you would think we are done. No, ladies, this bag came with other 2 purses. Let me call these purses now because they're smaller, right? I'll call them purses. So this bag came with other 2 purses. One is this one I'm showing you, and the other one is the next smaller one. So I'm going to go ahead and show you about the smaller one first. The smaller ones has a lot of card compartments. Like by my calculation, I think you can put more than 20 cards into this little thing that you're looking at, and it looks like, it feels like leather, it feels like real leather. I don't know what this is made of, but that's the feeling I'm getting from holding it. It's absolutely beautiful. Imagine fitting a card, almost 20 cards, 20 plus cards into this smaller purse. Then the other one is just like a crossbody, because this bag came with a strap that you can adjust, you can attach with this smaller purse to turn it into a crossbody for those casual day that you just want to quickly up and go. And you can also use the smaller one, put it inside it, up and go. But the main thing is that this bag came with other two smaller purses that you can use in other ways, and also you can use the strap to attach to the main bag. Either you want to carry it as a crossbody, or you want to carry it as handbag or shoulder bag. I absolutely love this. Like I mentioned, I bought this for work, and this, I have nothing to say than to give this bag 100% made. Very neat. Even the zip they use feels like quality. And this bag is that price I put on the screen. I can't remember the price, so that's why I'm putting it on the screen, but I know it's less than $50. So ladies, if you're interested, I will look for the link. Please check in the description box. If I'm able to find it, you will see it on that day. This, if I can't find the link, I'll put the name on the screen. Maybe you can search by the name. I bought it on Temu because of what? We are all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank, and this bag is going to serve me for the rest of the year, hopefully to the next middle of the year. I probably will come back and give you an update about it, because I'm going to be using it Monday to Friday. I work 8 to 5 Monday to Friday, so by the grace of God, I'm going to be rocking this bag every Monday to Friday. So maybe in about 6 months, by God's grace, God keeps us all alive in good health, I will come back and give you my my updated review about it. If it's collapsing, if it's still working well, if it's all good, if it's all glossy, if it's all still shining and it's still holding up, I will let you all know. So ladies, this is the end of this video. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed before, because on this channel we are all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you all in my next video. Please don't forget to leave me comments in the comment section. Bye my ladies.